I use this back take as an answer to opponent's defensive action. I just close the triangle with my legs and roll over the shoulder. Pull off in lucid position. Like this. To avoid this type of mistakes, keep your lockdown closed all the time. Use your hands to control forehead and near shoulder simultaneously. Like this. To effortlessly take the opponent's back, you need to get your entire back on the ground before you start pushing with your legs. You can also help yourself with your arms to guide opponent's body through entire rolling movement to achieve flawless result. If something goes wrong, you can always pull and push the opponent in desired direction with your arms and legs like so. Hope these details will help you on your journey. See you all at the next video.